what's that rumbling sound? It's coming from outside. I want to check it out. Oh my. Holy God. Mario! My gosh. Long day at work. I'm gonna go watch some TV. Oh yeah, the remote. Right here. Alright. Hey, hand. Let me do this, please. Oh, okay. Alright. Let's see what's on the news. Breaking news, people! A hurricane has just invaded the Mushroom Kingdom. Everyone is dying, houses are being destroyed, and everyone is now evacuating. Now, let's go hear Professor Otter about this hurricane theory and what it might do and what might have caused the hurricane. Let's get into Professor Otter, shall we?
Oh, hello. And my name is Professor Otter, and I'm reporting from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. As you can see behind here, we have reported a Category 4 hurricane that is sustained up to 131 to 154 miles per hour winds.
Everyone evacuate!
Please. We have reported a barometric pressure of 975 millibars, and it is approaching the Space Coast right next to the Mushroom Kingdom.
We need to evacuate!
Please! Okay, we need to take precautions. High winds can demolish homes, forests, and castles. According here, along the coastline, we are reporting flooding waters that will rise up to 16 feet.
We need to get out of here!
Get out of here! Oh, no! Oh, sorry. Yes, the flooding waters will rise up to 16 feet. I repeat that. You will die. There. So far, 18 people have died along the Palm Coast, the Royal Palm Coast. And the Mushroom Kingdom is right in the path. As you can see here, the red is the hurricane warning. Right now, we are establishing hurricane warnings. As of this update right here, it is only 15 minutes ago. It's not completely filled out, but I think scientifically we have proven that it is almost complete. So, we all along the coast are taking precautions. Now leave! Now!
Well, I guess Professor Otter said it. Now, everyone, evacuate from the hurricane before it destroys you! You need to leave! No! Hurricane is going to invade the Mushroom Kingdom? Luigi!
Mario, what's wrong?
Mario, there's a hurricane coming! Luigi, there's a hurricane coming!
What? Really?
Yes, a hurricane!
Mamma mia! Oh my God!
What's with all the commotion?
It's coming. There's a hurricane! Everybody evacuate now!
A hurricane? Oh no! The hurricane! It got me! Luigi! Help!
Mario!
No! Where am I? Is this what's inside the hurricane? Never experienced this before. Man, how do I stop this hurricane? If I don't stop it, it's gonna kill a ton of people. Hey, what's that over there? What's going on?
Yes, the hurricane is destroying the Mushroom Kingdom, and I will take over it with my hurricane. I use my superpowers to create this ginormous hurricane. And then, while it invades the Mushroom Kingdom, I am gonna conquer it, take over it, and everyone will bow to me. What?
So you're the one who did the hurricane on all that crap.
How do you know that? Oh, whatever. I don't even care. I'm gonna kill you.
Well, that was easy. Oh, hey, look, the exit.
Oh, hey, the hurricane's gone.
Oh.
Mario, you're back.
Yes, I'm back. I realized now that there was a bird that was making a humongous hurricane to destroy everyone, and I stopped it. And now everything's back to normal for now.
Finally. Meteor shower.
Everyone died. The end.